Let's review this section on master or source of truth. In this series about the master branch or source of truth, we learned that even though our work is never truly done, there's always a set of files that represent the truest sense of your product's designs. These are approved or finalized versions that are no longer works in progress and that everyone can use to develop or design the next iteration. We also covered two different ways to define what master represents for your team. It could be either what has been approved by design or what has been developed by engineering and is already in production. As usual, I'll leave you with a question to consider with your team. Think about the design process at your company. How would you define master and what it represents? When you know, make sure to share this definition with everyone. Writing it down in the About section of the project is a great place to start. Again, I've included some further questions here to help guide your discussion. If the definitions of master that we've provided here don't work for your team, you can come up with your own definition of master.